Due to police activity in the area of Shrubridge Court and Majestic Court in Dover Township, residents should continue to shelter in place until further notice. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're here. We are here. We had a beautiful ride in. It was like 3 hours or a little
Keys
over
to leave
3
early.
Yeah, we left. So guys, check this out. I don't sleep well anyway, but I woke up at like 1:30. I'm like, all right. I was like, all right, you want to go?
Like, no.
He's like, I'm sleeping. So we got up at 3:30, and then we went. We left at 5, and we got here nice and early for Industry Day. We're gonna head in, start filming for you guys, see friends. I'm so excited.
It's gonna be a nice day. A whole week. It's supposed to be like 70s.
Beautiful.
Sunny. It's gonna be perfect.
All right, we're dying. I think I'm all sunburned. Look at that.
It's warm out.
It's brutal today,
MJ always
but
does this to herself, and you're gonna be burnt up later.
Well, I gotta cool off. You know, I can't be wearing a sweater. It's too hot.
So there's a lot going on here today. Everybody's getting ready. A lot of rah-rah meetings, of course.
Yeah, we're getting to see a lot of people, a lot of friends, a lot of people from the industry. It's really fun so far.
Oh, what a long day. 7:22. We just got to the campground. We're gonna dump real quick because we're pretty much dry. We just have electric. The weather's been good today, and we're both extremely tired.
Absolutely exhausted. We just had dinner at Aruga's in Hummelstown, which is it's like 7 minutes from Hershey. We're about to do our premiere. So we have a premiere coming out tonight that we took today at the show, showing some great RVs.
We saw a lot of cool RVs today. Make sure this water works. It does. A lot of cool RVs today, a lot of new floor plans, which is pretty nice. And we have a lot headed for the rest of the week.
Good morning. It's bright and early, guys. It is, well, now it's 5:53. We've been up for a while. I got a little better sleep last night, thank God. I think I got like 6 hours, which was better than 4. So tonight I'm going to shoot for 7. We'll see what goes. The IZZY Master is making his breakfast.
So a little bit of a controversial subject. We did a video on this like 4 years ago, and we had so many like nasty comments. Anyway, people have asked, what do you eat in the morning, right? Because they see me drinking the shake, and I do this every morning. Couple of reasons. One, I love it, get a bunch of nutrients, and hydrate. Because I drink this, half hour later, I'm peeing. 20 ounces of almond milk, right?
Yep.
We're gonna do 1 banana, 1 scoop of, I like Sunwater plant protein or any type of whatever protein you like. Teaspoon or tablespoon of peanut butter, depending on how much you like. And then I just kind of eye this up.
And you could also use peanut butter powder if you want to cut back on the fat.
Yes, you can do that. And it's actually a lot cheaper. Some frozen blueberries, handful of frozen, maybe a little less than a handful, frozen strawberries, handful of mangoes. And when we're at home, the dogs wait because they each get a little frozen
they love
mango, but they're not here right now.
I give them a frozen strawberry when you're not home.
Yeah, this will work better in like a better blender, although this one does it just fine, but like a Vitamix or a Ninja or whatever. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed something. Did we bring spinach?
I actually think I just brought the romaine.
Normally I would put some baby spinach in there, so now I'm not gonna have my greens for the morning. But you will blend all that up, and then you just drink it, and it's awesome. It fuels you. You don't feel full. You get well hydrated. Great start to the day. Back to the campground. It was a great, productive day. We're actually calling it a little early today. I'm on the phone, so if it's shaky, I apologize. But we have a dinner tonight with RVmattress.com. We're going to be there with a bunch of the partners. Matt will be there, Matt's RV Review. So we're looking forward to kind of hanging out. Maybe we'll bring you along for a little snippet of that. But in the meantime, we're headed back to our campground, and we just got this beep on our phone, and it says... That's something you want to see when you're getting ready to drive through an area. Due to police activity in the area of Shrubridge Court and Majestic Court in Dover Township, residents should continue to shelter in place until further notice. So I looked it up, and there's apparently some shooting, like standoff. That was 4 hours ago that there was a shooting, but now there's a standoff. So I don't know how close it is to where we're staying, but we have it pulled up on Google Maps. So let's just hope we safely get back to our campground. Where are we going now?
Where are we going now? Where do you think we're going now? We're going somewhere to eat.
Right, because of me. Go ahead, because of me.
So Izzy gets in the car and he goes, you want to go to Brewster's? Now, Brewster's is what? What is Brewster's?
It's an ice cream place.
But we went there last year and it was phenomenal. So we're actually going to slip by Brewster's. Let's hope that
the Standoff is not there. And I really hope that nobody is, oh my God. Oh my God. Izzy has way too much fun in this car. Prayers to who's ever involved in this. I don't know exactly what happened, but I hope everybody's okay. But we're gonna attempt to go to this place. I don't think it's right near there. Grab our ice cream and get back to our campground. So we have, so we have some updates. Izzy has way too much fun.
No, this guy's like crawling up.
Oh, okay. That comes in handy for that. So we have some updates on the Standoff and the shooting. We just looked before we left. We got back to the campground fine. Oh my gosh, look at this. People drive like crazy. Are we in Jersey? Oh my.
So right now I'm doing 50. It's like a 45. This guy is.
Wow. It's actually 55 speed limit, but he's got to be going at least 70, 75. Anyway.
You didn't watch our blowout video.
No. Okay, so we went to get ice cream, and this was probably, guys, the slowest ice cream server. We were standing there for like 15 minutes. We said it's not even worth it.
They were creating the ice cream.
They were milking the cows in the back. So we left, and then we came back to our campground, and we looked up, and thank God the Standoff was over. Unfortunately, it was a murder-suicide, and I guess a guy from the area had shot his girlfriend and then shot himself. So very sad story, but it was done. At least the people in the area are safe. So we're headed now to a dinner, and it is at the Circular Restaurant in Hotel Hershey, which we've never been to.
We've been to Hotel Hershey.
Into the hotel. We actually stayed there years ago when Jason was a baby, but we've never been to this restaurant, and I've heard it's really, really good. We're very, very excited.
Back to the show. We get there really early for a variety of reasons. Biggest one, there's no crowd, so we can get the tours done. But we do want to answer a quick thing. We got a couple of questions, especially in the live streams. If you've noticed, we're driving MJ's car, which is very different. We usually drive my truck, but we decided to take this car, and people wanted to know, how has it been, right? Because this is kind of the first extended trip. So I don't know, we mentioned this before. It was 165 miles to get here from our home, and you were about 44% when we got here?
Just about, yeah.
So we left fully charged, 44% when we got to the Giant Center, Hershey Park. And then the great thing is, we didn't know this, Hershey Chocolate World, they actually have charge point chargers. They have 4 of them. It's absolutely free. So we plugged in, we left it there, we came back, it was topped off. And then our campground where we're staying in, of course, they have 1530 amp. And just like home, we connect into the 50 amp and we're charged at night. So we were guesstimating we've saved easily over $100 in gas, both, you know, heading down, going back home. We've been driving around, it might be more, and it's been great. We've had no issues. We just, every morning we get up and it's like we went to the fuel station and fully topped off. It's been pretty awesome. And then regarding the charge times, that really depends on how much depleted you are. So like last night we got in and it was about 3 hours to charge it up. No big deal. We left it overnight. When we got in from Jersey, the charge points are a little slower. They only charge about 26 amps. So I think it was like 6 hours. But again, no big deal because we were at the show. So it's been great.
We had a late night. We're going on very little sleep here.
MJ doesn't do well with
I need at least, I mean, I can function on 5 or 6 hours, but I need 7 hours. And I've been averaging around 4 or 5 hours this week for the show. Man, it's hurting. I'll catch up when we get home. Guys, you know, again, on this channel, we're able to bring you so much content because of our sponsors who we're so unbelievably grateful for. And RVmattress.com is one of them. And we finally got to meet them, as we told you. And we had such a good time. The Hotel Hershey, the Circular Restaurant is where we had dinner. It was really nice. And Matt,
it was just a small group of us.
Yeah, Matt awesome. And Will and Jen were there, and then another creator from Instagram and TikTok. I think Bailey Goes Outside. We met them. If you know them, put it in the comments. They were very nice. 3 people from RVmattress.com that we work with, and it was really fun. Today is Thursday of the show. The show was a little slow yesterday. Very interesting. We look forward to seeing as the week goes on how the numbers go and how sales go and things like that. And we will do a recap video. We'll link that above if that's out, which it should be, but we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm here with one of my my RV BFFs. You know Matt from Matt's RV Reviews.
He's looking extra red today.
Why is the red man red?
Seriously.
That's a deep
Red.
V right there. Hang on a second. Look at that guy's shirt right there.
Yeah, man. You just made the vlog.
Hey. Trading this?
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh, he's getting rid of that trash. Second full day of the Hershey show. We got to meet a lot of people. Definitely different than yesterday. It was much busier today. Man, we met so many people. It was literally like every 10 steps.
Guys, if we met you, put it in the comments, and thank you for stopping and saying hello and for the support. It was really fun.
Yeah, it was, pretty cool. A lot of people were there, and it was busy. We were talking to some of the manufacturers today. It was definitely a little bit better for them. Some of them surprised at how much traffic and how busy it was. We'll see. Friday and Saturday starts to get even busier. We'll see how it is. But when we got to the show this morning, there was a long line to get in.
It almost reminded me of 2 years ago.
Yeah.
After COVID, right? Now, I don't know how many of these people are just window shopping or how many are actually looking to buy. But I know, for example, I think we had mentioned all the leisure travel vans are sold on the first day. First day sold. And there's a lot of other RVs that you're seeing sold signs on. So that's good.
It's hopping here, guys. It's Saturday at the show. There's so many people here. The food lines are crazy.
I think they make the most money, the food trucks.
Yes.
They kill it.
Yes, because the prices are not cheap, but good for them. Good for them. Look at the lines. So we had a meetup this morning at Liquid Spring. We're headed into the Giant Center. We're doing a huge meetup today with 7 other creators, and we're doing raffles for thousands of dollars of RV giveaways. We're so excited about that. We've been meeting so many great people this week, right? It's been so much fun.
Awesome.
Subscribers and people in the industry and seeing our friends, and it's just been so much fun so far.
Just finished up, final day at the show. It was a huge success. So we're headed out to dinner tonight with Liquid Spring, our crew at Liquid Spring. Love these guys. We've been working with them for quite a few years. We were at the show every day at around 7 o'clock to film a lot before people get there. And then, we're at the show all day, and then we're usually at dinner with people at night. So we're long days to like 11 at night. So we're looking forward to getting home and getting.
Just snort.
I went
Okay.
like I snored. No, that's a snort.
Okay.
There's a big difference. So yeah, so it'll be nice actually to get home. We're getting back to our other jobs, but it's almost going to be a little bit relaxing.
Me and MJ talked about this off camera. We are kind of in our world, right? Like we do our own thing. We can't obviously speak and see the hundreds of thousands of people that we reach. But when people come up to you and they tell you, my God, your videos are so informative. I've learned so much. You helped me so much. Keep doing it. It really kind of resets, right? And it takes away from the negative comments you get. And it's like, yeah, this is the reason why we did it. And we are helping a lot of people out there. And that's why it's so important for us to go to these shows. We've been going to them for years. In addition to, we're able to network with a lot of manufacturers and just a lot of people in the industry. And now we know a lot. The dealerships, they know us. A lot of the companies, they know. It's not that big of a community, and it's really important for us to go to these shows to kind of entrench ourselves in it, because we're not full-timers, right? When we can't go everywhere all the time. So these 2 shows are a big opportunity for us.
Headed to dinner, like I said. So this is what I hear. Apparently the chocolate martini at the Hotel Hershey, it's the circular restaurant, is to die for. I'm not a big drinker, but
maybe 4 times a year I'll have a drink or something. So I'm gonna give this baby a try. I cannot wait. I better eat something first.
Love a good meal, and this hotel, Hershey, this restaurant, you could tell they have like real chefs because the food is extremely good.
And it's just kind of a culmination of the week, kind of a celebratory, relaxing, really fun night. So we're really excited about this. We had a wonderful time last night. Guys, those of you that have interacted with Liquid Spring in any way, you know how amazing they are. We had a wonderful time with them. All these people have become our friends. So it's the beauty of RVing, right? You just keep meeting people, forging relationships. It was a blast. And the food at Hotel Hershey, oof. I had like a mushroom risotto. Oh man, it was amazing. And I tried a chocolate martini, which was delish. So it's Sunday morning now. We're done with the show. We're kind of wrapping things up. We're getting ready to leave. What has to be done before we leave, of course? Guess what Izzy's doing? As always, because the bugs have attacked my car.
And Jay was like, ew, there's so many bugs.
Ew.
They had a bad time last night. But look at this. We just sprayed a little bit of release. Watch live. Here, watch this bug just come off.
Ew.
Let's get the rest of the guts out.
Yeah, that he was really stuck.
He got it good, yeah, but look at that. It's just cleaning right up.
So did you have a good time this week, hon?
Yeah, I mean, it's a little exhausting, but
we're exhausted.
We get to meet a lot of people, a lot of our subscribers. We get a lot of good content, and you know, it's kind of like a necessary evil, really. I know after it's done, while it's going on, we're like, oh God, we're so tired. But then after it's done, we always feel better. And really meeting a lot of you guys out there, it's awesome for us because we don't have that opportunity very often.
Right, and we're not, you know, full-timers or
just
most-timers yet. All right, Izzy's really excited.
Just show them this. Look at that. I mean, come on, guys. It's so awesome.
So these shows for us are huge because we get to meet you, we get to hang out, and these are going to become more and more frequent when we are retired. By the way, as I mentioned before, 22 months till we're done, and then we'll be hitting the road most time. We'll be doing more meetups and, you know, more shows and things like that. So we're really, really excited.
Now that I'm done cleaning the bumper, we can finish up this video.
Cleaning always comes first. So we're headed home. We have about a 3.5 hour trip home.
I hope not. I hope it's like 3.
I know. Well, back to the grind. We're headed out in about 2 more weeks. We're gonna do some nice fall camping, a couple more trips coming up, some fall camping, and we have some really, guys, really exciting things coming up, which we're not going to talk about yet, but we'll just make them wait.
We hope to see everybody at the Tampa show, because that'll be our next big show.
You guys rock. We want to hang out with you again in Tampa.
Yeah, and if you like videos like this to the left of us, we'll put our RV vlogs playlist, and we'll put our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.